guess what I have from today? I have the fidget spinner, kind of. I mean, yeah, it does look kind of old, but I don't know. I just felt like I wanted to see how if it's good enough to use it. And yeah, because this was probably from my a person who was my home at work, named Vanity. She is a person who works for me and probably the rest of my family members as well. But this is what she gave one of us that we were waiting, I guess, if I was sore. Well, yeah, but and don't worry, I'll probably maybe have some more, but I'm not really sure exactly because this is the only one I have. And yeah, because you can see that I have this fidget spinner here, and it's only just for what I had gotten from my home at work named Vanity, and you know why she was there for a reason to give us some of these because of their kids who didn't want them anymore, I guess. Like, yeah. I mean, I know these are probably just old. Never knew of them before when I had one, but yes, this is definitely a fidget spinner, so yeah. As you can see that I have a fidget spinner now, and it is lucky to, and I am sort of lucky to have it, but I never even knew these things were that new to me before when I had these before. And yeah, it's just because it's very, I guess, an interesting thing to play with. Well, I don't know. If you like this video, just please give it a thumbs up. If not, I don't know, just give thumbs down. I don't care. Hope you've enjoyed just a short video of a fidget spinner I have. And yes, probably get to see all of you later in the next video. So yeah, this is Blue Bonnie playing with the fidget spinner, I guess. And yes, stay fresh, everybody. And I still love y'all. So yeah, bye, 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 everyone, bye.